College auditions can be mortifying. Not only do you have to apply for the college, pay the application fee, and get in academically, you also have to audition for them and get into their acting, musical theater, or physical theater program. It's a lot. What's good, Honey Bunch? My name is Nico Austin-Smith, and I'm a successful actress here in LA. I have my BFA in acting, which is a Bachelor of Fine Arts. You may have seen me here, and if so, leave a comment. I'm curious. I'm here to help you on your acting journey by sharing all of the knowledge that I've learned in my career thus far with you. And that's something that a lot of other acting channel YouTubers don't do. So if all that sounds good to you, let's continue on this journey together. College audition season is right around the corner, with National Unifieds beginning in January. Unified auditions are held over 3 to 4 days in the cities New York, Los Angeles, and Chicago. At these auditions, tons of colleges and universities come together and hold auditions in one location. They do this so that you don't have to physically travel to each school that you want to audition for. Usually, if you plan your trip early enough, you can book a hotel room in the same hotel that they're holding the auditions. So all you gotta do is wake up and walk on down and do your auditions, which means you can audition for 10 plus schools. It's an incredible opportunity. All that being said, here are 5 college audition monologue tips that you'll probably want to follow. 1, make sure you read the requirements for each school, because you may need to choose different material depending on the school. Keep a log of all the schools that you want to audition for, when the auditions are, and what kind of material that they are asking for. Sometimes they'll only ask for 1 monologue instead of 2 contrasting. Sometimes there will be time constraints. Make sure you pay attention to the fine print. 2, avoid Shakespeare. Yes, even if you do it so well. Generally speaking, it's not well received, and it will usually be notated in the audition instructions to not do Shakespeare. That being said, you can still do other classical playwrights. For instance, I did a monologue from Antigone. Number 3, make sure to time your monologue so that it's within the college's specific time constraints, usually 1 minute to 1 minute and 30 seconds. Time yourself doing your monologue multiple times as you're preparing for this audition. And if you need to make cuts, you can do so before auditioning. Number 4, know your material inside and out. Perform it for family and friends. Record yourself doing it so you can give yourself notes. Do a speed round where you say your monologue quickly so that you can subconsciously know it. This will help alleviate some of your nerves and will help you to not go up or forget your lines during the audition. If you're having trouble memorizing, try memorizing your monologue line by line while doing something physical like jumping jacks or running in a circle or twirling around. Doing something physical while you're memorizing helps get the material to sink into your body and can a lot of times help you memorize faster. Number 5, own your space. When you walk into the room, greet everybody, hit your mark, which will usually be some sort of tape on the floor, and own your space. This is your audition. They cannot and should not rush you. If they're talking or not paying attention to you, just wait a second for them to stop. Or you can talk over them and introduce yourself. But don't start until you have their full attention, because this is your time. It's imperative that they hear you and that they can understand what you're saying. Practice how you're gonna walk into the room with presence. Practice being on your voice so that they can fully understand you and your voice can hit the back wall of the room and reverberate back to you. Practice speaking clearly with every single word. Take a deep breath. You got this. Break a leg. These tips will hopefully help you ace your college auditions. If you want some more in-depth monologue tips, like monologue mistakes every actor should avoid, or how I got rejected from almost every school I auditioned for because I didn't know these tips, or where to find the perfect monologues, these videos are for you. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the new video Thursday after next. Bye.